and welcome to the second tutorial on Python. So today as I told you earlier, we'll be writing our first Python program. So if you are new here, I am Mubarak, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for my latest update. So with that being said, let's get started. So as I showed you earlier, we can let's have a recap of our previous type in Python. You see, as this is the ideally from here I can access the IDLE Python 3.7.3 as my version. Well, you might have the different version of Python. Sorry, I'm messing up. I'm having some kata. And here we can just print hello world. You can see this is hello world printed on the screen, and the purpose of this print is that it shows the parameter that we give it in the brackets to print it on the screen. And don't worry about the parameters we are coming there, and you can see hello world is printed to the screen. So the print is an built-in function. It's a built-in function that you don't have to define or make use of class or whatever. It is a Python built-in function. So as you can see here, Python, you can type help, copyright, license for more information. I'll just type in help help. I'll pass on this and see welcome to Python 3.7 as help utility. If this is yours, blah 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 blah. So from this help, I can just type in a function. I can just type in a keyword, show me the information about that keyword. As you can see, I print help on built-in function, print in module, built-in print value, and you have files, sep, end, and flush, and a lot of them. You can use it to find many helps. So I'm just cute now. So I have queued the help. So and I'm going to be talking about variables. Let me just restart. Let me just restart. You see, it's restarted. But let me open it again so that we can see. You can see what we are doing. So variables are like you can take variables as a container for storing value. A variable in Python, you just define it, and the type of it is assigned immediately you define that variable. Like in other programming languages like C++ and Java, you have to define the variable. As now, let me just define a new variable, which is x equals to 3. As you can see here, 3 is stored on x. Now if I print x, if I call on x, print x So you're having 3 as the output, which is right here. So now 3 is stored in X. So now I can change the value. I can overwrite the X value by giving another X and having a new value for it. So now if I just print X, see, we are now having 5. So Python overwrites the variable that has the same name, and if you assign a new value to it, it overwrites the older one. So we have mainly 3 data types in Python: the integer, float, and string. Integers are numbers that are whole, that are natural numbers, while float are numbers with point and fractional part, while the string are list of characters, combination of characters. So just let me define another variable: a equals to 5, b equals to, this is an integer. Let me define 6.5, c equals to, I'll just define a string here, and the strings contain double quotes. So I'll just double quote or single quote in Python. Hello. Let me just give it the hello value. So now if I try to print a, see, we're having 5. And to see the type of a variable, we have the keyword, which is also a built-in type, built-in function in Python. We have the type, and if I click, if I print a, if I pass the a as a parameter, you see we have a class int. So 5 is an integer, as an instance of class int. So we're having classes here, don't worry about them, we'll be coming to them. So now if I want to print, let me print the type of b, you can see, so you can see type of b. So you have a class of float. Now b is a float value, is of a float type. And let me print the value of c. You can see we have class str, which is short for string. So as we here, I can just perform some certain operations. Let me just assign it, say b 6, and just print a plus b. So you are having 11, which is 5 plus 6, and you know it's 11. So that is let's keep it simple and end this video. That's it I have for you. if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.